Okay, so first of all, thank you, crypto family. As mentioned,
We just landed on the moon and
we have hit 10,000 subscribers on our YouTube, and we could not do this without you. So thank you, crypto family. It's been a pleasure. Bill and I and our team, we say thank you so much. So as a gift from us to you for all the support, we would like to give a random subscriber access to 12 months free of Token Metrics. That's 12 months free of Token Metrics HODLer plan. So think of this as a gift, as a scholarship, right? For all the support. So I wanted to do this by picking a random sub, but it looks like it cannot do it. But here, what we can do is I think we can just do a random comment. So just give me a second. Let me do this here real quick. Okay, so I'm going to get the video we have here. So this should only be technically people on the live stream now, actually, even. All right, that could be one cool way of doing it. Okay, so I'm doing this live, so bear with me. Might be some technical issues. So let's see how this goes. Okay. Okay. All right. So, drum rolls, please. So we have the live stream. Let us get the comments. Oh, what? Okay. Comments have been disabled. Okay. Not sure why that's. Okay. I guess we cannot do that. Okay. How about this? I'll just randomly pick one on the stream. Okay. So let's take a look here. Okay, so let us pick. Okay, let's pick Benjay. Benjay, you have been awarded a Token Metrics HODLer plan. Congratulations! Thank you for being subscribed to Token Metrics channel. So please contact us, and we'll take care of you. So contact us either info@tokenmetrics.com or just go to our Telegram group. And just contact us. Make sure to send a screenshot and everything showing that you are subscribed to the channel, and we'll take care of you. Not sure if you're already a subscriber. If you are, then maybe we'll just give you like an extra 1 year, or maybe we'll give you an upgrade. But either way, thank you, Benjay. Thank you, crypto family, as well, as usual.
We just landed on the moon.
Lambo. Bill, any comments to the winner?
Well, sir, congratulations. And it's our pleasure to be able to serve and help you, particularly in times like this. And who knows, maybe the data you get on Token Metrics will help change your life. Yeah.
So congrats, Benjay. Benjay has been a trooper, or is here on the live streams. Yeah. So contact us, info@tokenmetrics.com. We'll take care of you. Crypto family in the house, and thank you to all the crypto family out there.